Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your base and Escape Tsunami for Brainrots on Roblox. Now, upgrading your base in this game is honestly very simple, but there are two important requirements you need to know. First, you need to physically be at your base. You can't upgrade it from somewhere else on the map, so make sure you make your way back to your base area before trying anything. Second, you need enough money. That's it. Early on, upgrading your base is very cheap. It might only cost a few thousand cash at the start, so you can upgrade pretty quickly. But as you progress further into the game, the cost increases a lot. Later, upgrades can go into the hundreds of millions, so don't be surprised when the price jumps dramatically. And once you're standing at your base and you have enough cash, all you need to do is click the upgrade base button. As soon as you confirm it, your base will level up instantly. There's no complicated process, no extra materials, just money and being in the right spot. Now here's a quick tip. Since the cost scales up over time, you don't want to waste your money randomly. You want to make sure your income is strong enough before pushing expensive upgrades. If your earnings feel slow, you want to focus on improving your brain rots, speed, or rebirth multipliers first so that upgrading your base doesn't feel like a grind. And that's really all there is to it. Stay near your base, make sure you've got the funds, hit upgrade, and you're good to go. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!